He likes you. He sticks his tongue out every time he sees you. Hey guys, happy midweek. Hope you're having a good one. We're having another rainy day, so we're gonna go try to find some fun stuff to do even though it's raining. And Sam's eating a cashew butter sandwich. See the rain? Anyway, so you can come along on our rainy day adventure. Hi Juliet, where are we?
Daddy.
Daddy? You're with Daddy? You all ready to go? What do you have? Your Batman watch? Let's not bring it, we don't want to lose it. Do you know what kind of animal that is? It's an elk. It says don't climb on him though, okay? We just gotta say hi to him. Alright, y'all ready to go in?
Can I kiss you?
You can blow him a kiss.
Look, there it is. Look.
Yeah.
About bobcats, talk to you about bobcats. I usually try to have a bobcat first so you can touch it, because you don't want to touch a live bobcat. So you can touch this.
What's it feel like? It's comfy.
Yeah, I know it's
Her hand doing this.
You want to feel it, Aurora? It's not going to hurt you, it's just a fur.
It's just a bobcat fur. It's like your hair.
You want to feel it, Juliet?
You want to feel it?
You want to feel the bobcat? You want to pet it like a kitty? She's like, yeah, I don't think so. Yay!
And then what we do, enrichments are things to help stimulate their mind. Because you know in the winter, if it snows a lot, you get stuck inside, you get very stir crazy. Well, animals in captivity can do the same thing. So we give them different things to make them use their brain. Called bobcat lure. So it's really smelly, and it's what bobcats sometimes smell like out in the wild. Do you want to smell it? We're going to see if they like it. Smell it.
What's it smell like, Valerie?
Isn't it?
You want to smell it, Aurora?
Smell it?
Smell it. Oh.
I don't think I want to smell it. Well, maybe just...
Yep. This is actually some stuff that trappers will use to attract the bobcats if they're trapping them. So the bigger one is our male, and he is about 6-7 years old. And then yeah, and then she, the little one, is our female, and she's almost 2. Hey. This is just a different way. Like I've put scent on like pineapples or different stuff. This is just a different way.
She's meowing.
Juliet's meowing.
Something different colors.
She like peeing on it?
Yeah, she's scenting it.
She really likes it, you see?
Meow meow.
What do these guys sound like? What kind of noises do they?
Out in the wild, they sound like a screaming eagle.
I mean, these guys
Oh,
will,
like a cougar kind of thing?
They get a really high pitch, and they really might. If you hear them out in the wild, like calling, it really does sound like a lady screaming. In there.
You can climb in the egg if you want to.
Can I get on that?
Yeah. It's a chick.
It's split.
It's slick. How many eggs are there?
There is one, 2, 3.
Yes. And one little chick.
A little bit bigger than your average white-tailed.
Yeah, you don't want to hit that with your car.
You don't want to hit that with your car.
You can stand right in front of them and see how far your wings are. You're almost as long as a red-tailed hawk. How big Aurora's arms are. Oh, you're almost as big as a red-tailed hawk. You making your arms go farther? You think he's as big as the great horned owl?
Yeah.
Look, he's almost as big as the eagle.
Whoa! I think it's Daddy.
It's so nice and peaceful here.
I know. The kids love it. It's not that terrible. Like, the rain has stopped and there's nobody here. So they have the trails to themselves to go see all the
Oh,
animals.
look, our child climbed the platform.
What's your favorite animal here?
I really like cats, so I really like the bobcats. But those elk are really pretty.
Yeah, they are. Come here, let's see what Valor found.
Nature is just so like full of crazy cool animals.
I saw those.
What did you see?
Buffaloes.
Buffalo. You sure you see him? You see him with that thing? Because it looks like you're pointing to the sky.
Is he flying buffaloes?
He's really big.
He is really big.
He might be bigger than me.
You think he might be bigger than you? I think that's
Maybe.
correct. He might be bigger than you. What? Follow Daddy, we'll see.
When I will be 4, he's not going to be bigger than me.
When you turn 4, the bear is gonna be smaller than you? Yeah. Juliet, what's a bear say? Right. What's a bear say? A bear says meow. Oh, in this cave? A cave of fish? Cool. What kind of fish are these?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm gonna probably Juliet.
You think they're catfish?
Yeah, that have big whiskers.
Cool.
Mama, you
Look
want
at catfish.
Breathe
Catfish
underwater.
looks like it has cataracts.
The catfish like the kids.
They want to eat. But they can't because they're not in the water. That's a huge catfish.
Aurora's a little bit concerned about the catfish.
a rainbow one?
A rainbow fish?
Look at that gar. Look how big it is.
Yeah.
Look, he just blew bubbles.
He's doing rainbow.
This is just a huge catfish.
Are you a huge catfish? Hello, huge catfish. Sometimes they have to trap bears to relocate them if they're too close to people. It's a pretty big trap, isn't it? They put something in there that the bear would want, and when the bear goes in there, the door closes down and he's safely trapped in there until they can move him somewhere.
He will get out from this side.
Well, that's where the door would close. Yeah, that's like the door. Can you pretend you're a baby eagle? That's the size of an eagle nest.
That's right.
Can you chirp like a little baby bird? Let's see if we can see the eagle. It says to be quiet. He's getting used to his new home. Shh, whisper. You see a turtle?
Having a moment.
No. She's sticking her tongue out at him. Turtle? Juliet, are you as big as a fish? Almost. Oh, you're learning about different animals? Cool.
There is 1, 2, 3.
Oh, did you see these snakes? Look, this one's moving. That's a cottonmouth.
Wow, that's cool.
He's a venomous snake. He's gonna
What's this kind
have
of snake?
poison. That's a rattlesnake. And up there where your hand is a copperhead. Those are the venomous snakes that are in our state. Can you catch a fish? Almost. Oh, I think you caught one. Did you catch one? Help him, Aurora. Help him catch his fish. Yay, you caught one. Let's see what you caught. Whoa. That's a big fish, Valor. Here, you want to come weigh him? And see how long your fish is? Okay, you put him on the scale. Let's see how much it weighs. Your fish is under a pound. Alright, throw him back in the water. Good job. Let me see. Alright. Go take him on the scale to be weighed. Yep, you can fish more too. What are you doing? Hey, little beekeeper. Look, in that tree, there's honey. Can you climb up and look in this tree? Look in the tree, there's honey in there. And there's real bees.
What's that?
See all that stuff in there? There's honey in there. Bees.
It's really
He's
big.
sticking his tongue out for the vlog.
It's really big. It's big.
Can you see yourself, Mr. Snake?
It's kind of weird. Like he has no, like his head is as fat as the rest of his body.
Let's see if it'll focus on him. There it is. There we go. You got him to do it. Good job. He likes you. He sticks his tongue out every time he sees you. It is a big turtle. Hi. Valor, look at that. You see the hawk?
Red tails are super common, and I bet you all, even if you didn't realize what you were looking at, you've probably seen a red tail hawk before. They're found all throughout North America, and they're the most common hawk that we have here in Kentucky. Now, the story behind this guy, why we have him, and he doesn't live out in the wild anymore, if you look at his eyes, you see that eye? Looks different than the other one. It's smaller and sunken in. It's kind of weird looking, and it doesn't work anymore. So we don't know what happened when he was living out on his own in the wild. Something injured that eye to make it where he can't see out anymore. He's partially blind, and what that meant for him is that he couldn't see well enough to catch food anymore. He's almost starved to death. Somebody found this hawk lying on the ground on a golf course down in Alabama. So weak that he was lying down without gloves or anything. They just picked him right up, and he was probably days away from dying. Luckily, they found him. They took him to Auburn University, where they have a rehab facility that takes care of injured or orphaned wildlife, and got him fattened back up and healthy again, and that's where we got him from. So because of that injury, unfortunately, there's nothing that can ever be done to fix that eye. Because of that injury, he's going to stay in captivity with us for the rest of his life. So at age 8, if he were wild, you know, it might be 9. He might even be 9 this year. All the days start running together. He's 8 or 9. For a wild hawk, he would be getting middle-aged at that point, but for a hawk that's in captivity like this, we still consider him to be fairly young.
Thank you very much. You too.
Bye guys. Bye.
Say bye.
Thank you guys.
Thanks for joining us on our fun tour of the animal place today. If you like what you saw, we would love for you to join us. What do we say at the end of our videos?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and thumbs up. Say see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
We're gonna get out of the rain. Bye.
Bye.